Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Bullpup Rifle case. It's designed to hold a Bullpup rifle, including the Tavor 7, X95, SAR, Kriss Vector, and many more, along with a semi-auto pistol, magazines, and accessories. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam, and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Start with this main plug. This area will fit a variety of Bullpup rifles seen here, provided they are under 33.09 inches in length. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensure all your gear fits regardless of accessories. For example, to fit a scope or underbarrel attachment, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. Our engineers have included perforations for a variety of gear, including optics for above the rifle and accessories for below the rifle, such as foregrips, lasers, flashlights, and more. If you do not have a scope or specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear if not in use. On the left side of the base is a pistol cutout, which is immediately ready to fit a compact pistol, but will accommodate a semi-auto pistol up to 8 5/8 inches in length. To accommodate a full-sized pistol, you'll need to connect the perforations here and remove them. For pistols with underbarrel attachments, connect the perforations in these areas. Two pistol magazines can be stored in the cutouts here, as well as 4 rifle magazines. If you're using the case for a PS90, the mag cutout can be found here in the bottom layer, as well as in the second layer of the main foam plug. Removing this mag plug and reinserting the second layer will allow the PS90 to sit higher. Lastly, for guns with side attachments, the second layer of foam also includes perforations to accommodate those. An accessory pocket for items like earplugs and eye protection is located in this area. For small items, we've included a waterproof accessory box with a dedicated cutout. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck foam. Unlike Pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. Moving on to moisture control, we've included one reusable hydro-absorbent silica gel canister to help prevent rust. The importance of our specially designed moisture remover cannot be understated, and we encourage you to watch our silica gel video to learn more. Remember, silica gel is necessary because a case that keeps moisture out will also keep it in. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback. The case also features 4 padlockable holes for added security, 2 of which are metal reinforced, and 2 of which are oversized to fit larger padlocks. A manual pressure relief valve allows you to open the case at any altitude. A light orange peel texture on the case's surface helps to guard against scratches. In the back, there are 4 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, all of which are one-way so they cannot be tapped out. Feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, and 3 handles that fold down to stay out of the way when not in use. Exterior case ribs help to strengthen the case shell and deflect impact when the case is being shipped. Wide-bodied wheels with stainless steel ball bearings allow the case to glide evenly over both smooth and rough terrain. And the foam in the lid is a combination of polyethylene and a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.